Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. What is a partition? How to create one in Azure Analysis Services. So to create partition, we have to navigate to the model view, and as we can see on the screen, we have multiple options available like relationships, roles, tables, etc. Here, if we click on tables, so we can see create relationship, manage relationship, and partitions. So under partitions, we get various options. Say we have already created few partitions that will come on the top with partition name and last processed. Say if we want to create a new, so as you can see on the screen, in the lower part you can see validate as well as design option. So you can click on design and then you can create the partition. However, as you can see in the middle of the screen, you will see let source etc. So this is M query which is written, and where we have to specify the source and whatever the functions that we have to implement. And after correct implementation of those functions, we can click on validate. And once it validates properly, so we should be good with the partition. Now, say if I want to design a partition, so once you will click on design, you will see a new pop-up window where you will see the table where all the columns are present along with different calculations. Here you can do all the transformations which are required for the partition. Along with that, you will see different options like import, and then we have home, query, rows, columns, etc. So say if I want to import something, so I can click on that option and then I can import. Once we are done with all the transformations, so we can click on home and it will say like close update without processing, and close. So we can choose the required option and then it will close it. Sometimes if there is any kind of error, so during that point of time you will see this pop-up cannot import the partition query because the set of columns in partition definition that does not match those in the table definition. So to fix such kind of errors, you will have to check if column names are correct from those which are coming from the data source as well as which are being used in the model. So once the partition is created properly, so what you can do is you can click on SSMS, you can open analysis services, and here under the tables you will see different partitions. So you can click on partitions and it will show you the partitions which are available for your processing. So that is how basically you create the partition and process it for further use in your data model. Thank you.